absolutely freezing morning here in Tasmania. I suppose it is winter, it's June, but you know, it's bloody freezing this morning. I went and put the bike up on the lift so I didn't bore you with that process. Just slide it under, crank it up, put a strap on it to secure it. Got the kit, and basically we're just going to take these off and replace them with these Rebel 250 shocks in that location, and it'll end up dropping that by near an inch and just make the bike look lower and more tough, basically. Just going to use a blade screwdriver to pop these out. I'll just put that in my pocket for safekeeping. It's got the back wheel about 20mm off the ground. That'll give us the play we need to put these on. 6mm hex wrench or Allen key. Oh, Jesus. That is tight. But on this right hand side, it's a 17. 17 to undo the bolt. There's a captive nut at the back here. And this will end up being the more complicated of the two sides to do. So I thought I'd start with this one first. Bolt comes out. Shock comes off and lifts up out. Righto. So we're lucky the bottom bush is the same as is the top one. Lucky. So, we'll just shoot around the other side and take the other shock off to give us the movement we need to put them on. Remove. On this side it's different. You can see different size studs, different size bushings. So we're probably going to take these bushings out and try and install them on these shocks, which might be a bit of messing around. New ones are a lot easier. They don't have 20 years of hardening up. So put the bolt back in. tighten that up shortly. Just going to let the bike down slightly. Yeah, beautiful. And just pop that back in there. Right. Guys, these are the Rebel 250 shocks installed on Steve, my XV750. I got them from eBay, they were $115. It was a fair bit of messing about to get them on because I didn't buy new bushings. So go onto eBay, buy some bushings to fit the bike, just to make it a lot easier for you. Otherwise you've got to knock the old ones out, and in my situation they didn't want to come out, they wouldn't want to go back in because they'd hardened over time. But eventually got them on. They look fantastic. We've lost about an inch out of the ride height. They are preload adjustable, so make sure that you're furthest up the ramp to give you the hardest sort of setting. If not, just put a screwdriver in the hole, click them around until you get it on the hardest setting, and that will stop you from bottoming out on a much heavier bike than what the 250 is. I love the way it looks. It's about an inch lower, it's about 25mm lower, give or take, and it really looks mean and the business. As with any lower bike, just be aware that the bike can tip over a bit easier because it doesn't lean at quite a severe angle on your kickstand. So just be aware of that when you come to a stop. It really gives a tougher look to the bike. The stance looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it, particularly with no front fender and the fork gaiters and an inch lower. Just looks mean. Really happy with it. Guys, if you'd like to support my channel, go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. The content is always free to consume, but it's not free to create. So if you'd like to support me to sort of help get these videos to you guys, then feel welcome. It's buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. Yeah, stoked on that, guys. Till I see you next time, I'm out.